Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can use safety check on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and tap on the mobile settings of your phone. Now scroll all the way down to privacy and security. Again scroll down and you'll be seeing the option called safety check. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you have two options whether you can do the immediate reset. So for that you'll need the face recognition. So once the face ID is recognized, you can immediately reset your password and change your Apple ID password. Now there is another option which is manage sharing and access. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll also be needing a face ID recognition for this too. So once your face ID recognition is done, here you can see whom you can share your location with, people's apps or your Apple ID password. So now you can just tap on continue. So here you can see that this application is like access to all the application which is available on your phone. So you can just tap on any application that you like in order to stop the access. Once it's done, you are good to go. So this is how easily you can use safety check on your iPhone. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.